In this video, we'll be showing you how to tie a Palomar knot. Now our line here is going to be bright orange so the camera can see it, otherwise we'd be using just a regular fishing line. But first step you want to do is pull your line out and then double it back over itself till you have a little hoop like this. Then you're going to want to take this hoop and pinch it down to where it can fit through the eye of the hook. Then, taking the hook, go ahead and slide the line through and make sure you pull the hook into the middle of that doubled over line so you have enough of it to work with. Once it's in the middle, then you're going to take the right hand side here, that loop, and you're going to make a overhand knot with the left hand side of the line. So it's just a simple loop, the one you do when you're tying your shoes. So we'll go ahead, just do that basic start. And then once you've done that, the next thing you want to do before tightening this is take your hook and go through that little loop that has been made by the overhand knot. So we'll slide that hook on in, and then we're going to gently pull it to where it starts to form a knot at the top. And then you might need to adjust some of the line because it'll slip up a little bit, but then once you have it, then you can just pull it tight and it will go into form, just like that. And the last thing we need to do is go ahead and cut off some of that excess line. So we'll just trim it right at the base of the knot, and that is how you tie a Palomar knot. If you found this video helpful, it'd mean a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.